Is this you whenever you're trying to use numbers in Spanish?
Fue en el año de 1940 que el inventor mexicano Guillermo González patentó la televisión a color con el número de patente 402235.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Well, it's okay if you're just reading for yourself, but what if you're shopping or you need to provide your social security number, your bank account, or maybe your phone number? Whether we like it or not, we need numbers because we use them all the time. But don't worry, in this video, we're gonna teach you how to read big numbers and how to use them with dates. Ready? Let's get started. You can learn to count very quickly and easy up to 100 in 2 simple steps. First, memorize the numbers from 0 to 19. Then learn all of the tens. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. For the spaces in between them, you're just gonna pair a 10 with a 1, just like in English. Now, something you should keep in mind is that Spanish uses E to pair tens and ones, but only for numbers above 30, like 31, 42, 56. Now, what about numbers between 21 and 29? Well, the reason we do not use E to pair tens and ones here is because their names are actually one word. Now, for hundreds and thousands, you'll use a special ending. Just like in English. For hundreds, the ending is cientos, 200, 300, 400. For thousands, the ending is mil, 2000, 3000, 4000. Now, there are only 4 exceptions: 100, 500, 700, and 1000. 100 is cien, and for numbers in between 100 and 200, you'll use the beginning ciento, 101, 102, 111. 500 is quinientos, 700, 700, and 1000, mil. Now, a word of advice when you reach really big numbers. Un millón may be a million, but billón is not a billion. It's actually a trillion. That's because the English word billion is actually a 1,000 million, or a 1 followed by 9 zeros. But the Spanish word billón, it's a 1 followed by 12 zeros. Let us now put our knowledge to the test. Here's a tip for you. When reading big numbers, Spanish speakers often read them in groups of 3, just like in English. For example, 123,456. Here's another example. 1,234,567. All right, now you try. Write down a big number and try to read it in groups of 3. By the way, how are you doing? Do you feel like all this is a little overwhelming? Oh, that's because it is. Learning a language can be hard sometimes. But if you want to find professional certified tutors, check out Spanish55.com. Your first consultation is completely free. Just give it a try. No strings attached. Now that you know how to use big numbers, you can apply the same knowledge to years and dates. Now, there are a couple of things that you should keep in mind. The first thing is regarding years. Spanish doesn't use shortcuts like English does. For example, the year 1985, in Spanish we would read it 1985. And regarding dates, the order is different. Some English-speaking countries use the order month, day. But in Spanish, the order is always day, month, year. And there's a de in between them. For example, the date October 26, 1985 in Spanish would be 26 de octubre de 1985. Alright, that's it for today. In our next video, I'll show you how to use numbers to tell the time. So don't forget to subscribe. And if you're really serious about learning Spanish, then check out our podcast, Conquering Spanish. It may be the inspiration you need to take your Spanish to the next level. Thank you for watching. Hasta la próxima.